So guys, today we'll be looking at Urhobo alphabet. Oh yeah, Ibieta Urhobo. We'll be looking at Urhobo alphabet. Like in English language, we have 26 alphabets in English language. The while in Urhobo, we have 25 alphabets. Now, what are the 25 alphabets? Urhobo has 25 alphabets. Now, these are the 25 alphabets we have in Urhobo. So guys, these are the 25 alphabets we have in Urhobo. The same way. Okay, come close. These are the 25 alphabets we have in Urhobo. Now let's read together. Let's read together. Inanaye Ibieta lawewori evulurobo. Eje ujegbi yori. Egbesepugbe. Let's read together. A, B, D, A, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, R, C, T, U, V, W, Y, Z. Inana. Oh yeah, Ibieta Urhobo now. These are Urhobo alphabets. This E that has dot at the bottom and O, which is O, that has dot at the bottom, which is E and O, are the significant alphabet in Urhobo language. And the significant alphabet in Urhobo language. In Ibieta remagari. In Ibieta remagari. And among the 25 alphabets we have in Urhobo, 23 are borrowed alphabet. 23 are borrowed alphabet. These two alphabets are the most significant alphabet we have in Urhobo. In Ibieta remagari. So if you know you enjoy this teaching, please like and share our video. If you are seeing this video from Facebook, follow us if you never follow us. And if you are seeing this video from YouTube, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you are seeing it from TikTok or wherever and you have not followed us, please click that follow button and follow us. Share, drop your comment. Correction is allowed. You can drop your comments on the comment section. So thank you. One love, Urhobo. Wado.